Right now, we're seeing a notable shift in health sentiment, with a sentiment score of plus 0.05 and momentum at plus 1.10, indicating a significant uptick in positive sentiment over the last 24 hours. This isn't just your average fluctuation, it suggests a growing optimism around health topics, likely driven by recent breakthroughs or public health announcements. Our API provides you with insights into these trends, returning sentiment scores, momentum data, and detailed semantic clusters that help you understand the conversation landscape. A practical use case. If you're developing a health app or dashboard, you can leverage this data to adapt your content strategy, aligning with the current positive sentiment to engage your users more effectively. Ready to explore? Check out pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs for more.